Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, first of all, we have CPI inflation coming out today for the US, which is definitely a very big news event. Now, most of my analysis for all the US dollar pairs themselves is coming from the US dollar analysis. I still think that the higher time frame US dollar analysis is in a downtrend. I still think this US dollar Swiss possibly ended at wave C on the daily time frame. If that's true, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is an A, a B, and a C, or possibly a WXY because it does have a little bit of a 333 look to it. But either way, I think there's a pretty good chance that we could be setting ourselves up for a short today, maybe even a wave 3. Now, the news can be a little unpredictable. It can do a little bit of a spike up, spike down type thing. So definitely be careful. But my best guess for the news today is bearish, the US dollar index. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.